Hello, my name is Sean Crawford. I'm with Rainwater Management Solutions. Today I want to show you how to mount the WISY Downspout Filter, or the Garden Downspout Filter. This is a great filter for an individual downspout. These are the different components that we will send you to mount the WISY Downspout Filter. There's also some things that we send as well that we've already mounted, just to show you. It's the mounting clip, the hose and tension ring that actually hook onto here, and then we have the actual downspout filter itself. Alright, so this is what we've done already for mounting the downspout filter. We've sent an adapter with our downspout filter. This is an option if you want to buy that or not. It's a 20-inch long PVC, 4-inch PVC pipe, and it also converts from a square downspout to circular in order to go to the top of our downspout filter. This is important because if you don't do that correctly, you don't have enough run there, it's actually going to ruin the efficiency on the filter. It will work, but the efficiency will be a lot less. We also have a little screw here that actually is going to be sent with the mounting clip. We call it the mounting clip and screw. That screw will go into the wall there, and you'll be able to screw in your mounting plate there and mount the downspout to it. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. So here's the actual mounting clip. As you can see there, it's got female threads, the female end, male end. We've screwed that in so this is nice and tight against the building. So what I can do now is put that right in there. Start screwing in, and you want to go all the way in, or as far in to where you can actually have it level like that, sitting horizontal. So what I'm going to do is actually make sure the bottom goes in first, like this. Just like that, sits in there. I'm going to take off the top. And make sure it sits in, just like that. I can angle this outlet, this is the clean water outlet, to whatever side I want. So for this example, we're actually going to go this way. I'm then going to put the top in. So what I do with the top is I slide this in right here. Push it all the way up, and I come back down the top right here, just like that. Now it's sitting in there. Next step is to take the other front end of the mounting plate, just like this. It's got Phillips head connections there. So what you're going to do is put that aside right here. Go ahead and start threading it. I can find the thread, there it is. And I don't recommend tightening these down, tighten one end down before you tighten the other, because that's actually going to make it harder to tighten the other side. So I just loosely hand tighten each side. After we've installed the WISY Downspout Filter, it's installed level, actually tightened it up, we got it against the building. There's two ways you can do the outlet, the clean water outlet on the WISY Downspout Filter. Option one is this is the Fernco coupling, or a rubber coupling that has an 1.5 inches to about 1.25 inches going to this pipe, going over. If you don't want to bring pipe all the way up your building into your downspout, that's fine. We have this hose and tension ring. If the tank's really close, you can actually just take it to the top and just have a piece of pipe come right up. Pretty much you can bring a 1-inch pipe to this whenever you want. This goes right onto the clean water outlet right here, but you just bring a 1-inch pipe to this side, and this gives you a lot of room to work with. So this is installing the WISY Downspout Filter, or the Garden Downspout Filter. Just a quick summary of what we showed you. We have the downspout adapter kit right here, going to the top. This is the actual WISY Downspout Filter, or Garden Downspout Filter. Mounting clip with the screw in the back to make sure this is level. Try to get as flush as you can against the building. And then we have the clean water outlet right here. This is going into the tank. That's where all the clean water is coming out. This can be with a Fernco fitting, or a hose and tension ring. And then we just keep going with the downspout, however you want to finish the downspout on your side of your home. So that's a quick summary. This is mounting the WISY Garden Downspout Filter, or the downspout filter.